We have the bank account program, and if you go back to the description, and if you ever need to go back to the description, you can always click on the picture of the piece of paper, take you on back, and this is how the program's supposed to go, though this can be a bit confusing. We should slowly work our way to be trained to put together a program based on a written description. But for now, we'll go ahead and put together these set of tasks and videos. And yeah, so we come over here and I'll take a look at the class files. We have the corporate office class, we have the branch banking class, and we have the client class, and we have our tester. And then I am going to run my tester. It says welcome, and if I enter in a username that doesn't exist, it will say wrong credentials, and it'll keep prompting me to enter in a correct username. Notice here that the program never ends. It's kind of just like an ATM machine that's always on, always requesting a debit card and a PIN number. Right? So I'll go ahead and put in my debit card, A1. I'll put in my PIN number, A1, and I enter the system. Once you enter the system, prints out a menu, and I can maybe view my personal account balance. I'll press 3 and hit enter. It shows my personal account balance. Right? I can maybe view my business account balance by hitting 6 and hitting enter, and it shows I have 0 in my business. Maybe I can deposit into my business account by hitting 4, and I will deposit, let's say, my high roller. I'll deposit 500,000, hit enter, and then I'll view 6. Now I have 500,000 in my business account. Right? So that's how that should go. And then if I hit 7 to exit the system, then I'm going to enter in again, but this time as a regional manager. So I'll do -1, -1, and this lets me run the corporate office methods, right? So then here I'm going to print out all my client information by pressing 1, and if I scroll up, you could see all of them, right? And then you could check if there was a monthly profit earned. So I'm going to hit a 4 and hit enter, and the monthly profit is earned, and the description for how that's calculated is over here in the guide. Yeah, and I think that's about it, right? That's all I need to show you. Basically what you need to do is when they choose one, you're going to run a method in the corporate office class that does this, right? This one here would be the toString. This one here would be, I don't know, a method that scrolls through every branch banking object in its array list, which then would scroll through every client in the branch banking list, and then it would print out each client's business account information, right? So if I go ahead and press 2 and hit enter, it does this, right? Prints out all of the client's business banking balance. And then I hit 7 to exit, and I'm back out here, right? And I need to enter in some credentials.